Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to fix sound issues in World of Tanks Blitz. If your World of Tanks Blitz suddenly went silent or the sound is glitching, then don't worry at all. First of all, launch open the World of Tanks Blitz game on your device and from the main lobby screen, click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. This will then open up the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on Other from the top right. Inside the Other tab, look for Music Volume and Effects in System Sound Volume and make sure the sliders for music and sound effects are not muted. Slide it towards the right hand side and make sure that the volume and sound effect volume is turned on. After you are done with it, you can then close this tab. Make sure to restart the game and you will be able to fix the sound or music problem in the game. Also make sure to check out your device's volume key. Make sure that your device's volume key is turned on. If this does not work, then you can uninstall and reinstall the World of Tanks Blitz game, and that might be able to help you fix your sound problem. So that's how you can easily fix sound issues in World of Tanks Blitz game using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.